everybody, what's going on? It's me, John D. Villarreal with Coldwell Banker in Port St. Lucie, and I'm here with Brent Porter, and we are in Vero Beach at Hampton Park by Meritage Homes. Now, Brent, this is very exciting. It's a beautiful new community. You've got all kinds of different products here. Tell me about Hampton Park.
Yeah, so great to have you back, John, have you up here looking at our properties. This is an incredible place that we found up here in Vero Beach. And Vero Beach is so unique. It's such a beautiful place. It is known for its pristine beaches.
Yes.
It's uncrowded beaches, for one.
Yep. Great golf courses, farmland, quiet.
Sophisticated style, yet laid back, right? So Meritage has found this lovely piece of property right here in the heart of Vero Beach, right off 58th Avenue and 6th Avenue. And we're building 150 homes out here.
Close to 95.
Absolutely, about 10 minutes from 95, 15 minutes from the beach, shopping and restaurants right down the road on Highway 60. Unbelievable location.
How many homes are going to be here?
So we've got 150 homes that are going to be out here in Hampton Park.
And then I see 3-bedroom to 4-bedroom. It looks like a little bit under 1,700 square feet to over 2,700 square feet. Tell me about the range of products.
Yeah, so we've got 2 different styles of home. Each one of the homes is just going to sit on a different style lot.
Okay.
Like a lot of our communities, we build a 2-car garage home.
Okay.
And those are the ones that are going to range from 1,600 to about 1,900. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Some have a flex room, some have an extra bedroom and bathroom, and they're gonna run $375 to $450, somewhere in that range right about now. We have ones that are lakefront, and then we have some that are off the lake. And then the bigger series of homes are a little bit wider lot, and they've got the 3-car garage. Very similar to some of our other products. We run 2,100, 2,700 square feet, and they're gonna be around the 450 to 550 range.
Nice. Now, tell me about this. I mean, it's May of 2025. Everything, price availability is obviously subject to change. Check out all the information, disclaimers in the video description on YouTube and of course on the Meritage website. But what kind of incentives do you have? Do you have any kind of specials? What are we looking at?
Sure do. Well, you know, the great thing is that with Meritage Homes, all of our homes have a 60-day closing guarantee.
Wow.
So you can move in, you can buy and move in your new home and be in it in 60 days or less.
Definitely provides peace of mind, particularly for people that are trying to move before school starts or whatever.
Absolutely. And we have inventory that's ready right now. So anybody can come up here, see us, show them the different homes, different styles. We've got several different ones that have different color packages and designs. Really great selection.
Now that's interesting. We were talking about this at the other property, that Meritage is an inventory builder and everything, and you have so much that's already included. So when I come to look at a Meritage property, not always, but a lot of times I can find something right there and it's gonna have a lot of the features that I already want.
Absolutely. It's gonna have, you know, some of the best features that we consider standard, most people consider upgrades. I mean, you got the gourmet kitchens, you got the high ceilings, you got impact windows.
Backsplash, if it's there, granite.
You got the spray foam insulation, so some of the most energy efficient homes on the market.
Awesome. Now, if I was looking at this and let's say I don't know anything about Meritage, how do I think about Meritage in my head? Like, where does it fit in the marketplace and why would I want to buy Meritage?
Well, absolutely. It's the peace of mind. It's the quality of the construction. It's me. It's you. That's what people need to think of.
Come see us.
You need to call us. Come visit our website.
Make an appointment.
Make an appointment. We'll be happy to show them around.
No doubt about it. Okay, last but not least, tell me about Hampton Park. What's special about this community? What sets this community apart?
Okay, so it's really neat. It's a gated community. Okay. The HOA is only $225.
Okay, not bad.
So there's low HOA, there's no CDD, and it's just a great little quaint community. Like I said, it's just off the beaten path, yet it's close enough to everything.
What do you get for that HOA?
So that covers the lawn maintenance, covers all the common facilities, as well as the front gates.
Fantastic, that's awesome. Listen, if you want to learn more about this, make an appointment, come tour one of the models, or see any of the inventory homes, contact myself, John D. Villarreal. I'm going to have my information in the video description below. I'm with Coldwell Banker or Brent Porter with Meritage Homes, and he is here at this community. We look forward to seeing you. For Brent, I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Have a great day.